Hey girl, today we're going to be doing a wash and go with the Eco Style Argon Oil. I applied my leave-in in the shower, and my leave-in is actually Proclaim's Curling Pudding Shea Butter. And the Shea Butter doesn't feel super moisturizing. It's not my favorite leave-in, but it does pair really well with this gel. At least it did when I did the test on my hand. That's why I chose it. So we shall see how it pairs in reality. As you can see, I am doing the raking method, and in comparison to the Eco Black Castor Oil and the Eco Gold, this one is so much thicker and I feel like it coats my hair, whereas the other ones I was like, I don't even know how much of this to use because it feels so thin. Hey girl, quick update. My pinky nail just broke, okay? Damn it. I'm on a long, healthy nail journey. My pinky nail just broke, but it's all good. It'll grow back. If you're on a long skin, hair, or nail journey, let me know because I'm on it with you. My skin, I've got under control. My hair, you know, is a work in progress. My nails have been really thriving, so I'm kind of upset about this right now. But anyway, yeah, I just was like, ooh, let me tell my girl what just happened. Damn it. It's okay though, it's okay. See, the Eco Style Gold couldn't do that. Look at that. Hey girl, so this is my hair after using the Eco Style Argon Oil. It worked really well for my hair. There's no flaking, there's the crunch, which I like, which I will not be breaking because I want this wash and go to last me a few days. For some reason my front area is still super frizzy, and I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on there, but other than that, I'm really happy with my results. I'm happy with the way my wash and go came out. I do prefer this gel over the Eco Gold and the Eco Black just in terms of the hold that it gives me. I think for more coarse, thicker hair, the thicker gel works a little bit better than the black or the gold gel, just in terms of the hold that you'll get. So if you're in the 4 category, you may prefer something like the Eco Argon Oil versus the Eco Black or the Eco Gold. So yeah, this is the results that I have so far, and out of 10 I give this gel a 9 just because of this part here, which I don't know if is from the gel or my own technique where it's not getting the hold that I would like, but I need to figure that out. So that's why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10, not a 10 out of 10, just because this whole front area here is frizzier than I would like it to be. But other than that, I really like the gel. It doesn't really have a strong smell, so if you're not into scents, you'll like that. It does give you a strong hold. And another thing that I did differently with this gel is I did the raking method and the praying hands method. I didn't shingle. So a reason why I may not have as much definition as I did with the other gel is because I didn't shingle with this one. But as you can see, I do have a little more length. My hair does look, I mean, it shrunk still, but it does look longer than it did when I did the shingling method. So if you do like the raking method where you just rake the gel through, or the praying hands method where you smooth the gel through, you do have more elongation and less shrinkage, but you don't have as much definition. So when I use this gel again, I'll probably do the shingling method, and I probably will give it a 10 out of 10 because the only flaw that I have right now is this area that's a little frizzy. So I can guarantee you that when I do this with the shingling method, it's gonna be perfect. So I still have a lot of gels to get through because I'm doing a whole eco series where I'm going through all the eco styler gels to find like what works best for type 4 hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my family and my sisterhood, and I'd love to chat with you and get to know you. Like this video, comment on this video, and if you'd like, you can look me up on Instagram at xo_Rocky. I'd love to chat with you there. But yeah, until next time, see ya.
Lead them from temptation, make them royalty. All the things we face and make us question it. Lead us to salvation, pour that oil, please. That's how we become kings and queens.